Yeah. Hello viewers, welcome to Pharma Job Vacancy, Odisha. Viewers, today we have vacancy for maximum vacancies for experienced person, those who have at least 6 months of marketing exposure in pharmaceutical sector throughout Odisha, and minimum having 6 months of experience. And beside this, some of the companies are medium-sized company, and some of the companies are very well-known pharmaceutical company in Indian market. So start the video without any wasting our time. So the first company we are having in portfolio is LTS Biogenesis Private Limited. This company having 13 years of marketing experience in pharmaceutical sector. So the job role is medical representative, and the division is required vacant is neuro psychiatry division, and segment also you have to deal with the neuro psychiatry products, and the location is Balangir and as well as Sambalpur. For both this location recruitment is going on. Experience and freshers both can apply for this post, and the qualification required graduation in this stream, and age criteria is below 25 years. So you have to drop your update CV to Sivananda Sahu 476 at gmail.com, or you can call him directly. 8596055422 is the area business manager number, Mr. Sivananda Sahu's number. So next company is Anthos Pharmaceuticals company. It is pharmaceuticals. It is also a medium-sized company. So the job role is medical representative. Division is not known, but the segment is general. You have to deal with the general antibiotics. Location is Rourkela. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and qualification is graduation required. Sorry, age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to Santosh Mahanti 54113 at gmail.com, or you can contact 8249000814. Okay. So the next company is Mankind Pharma. Mankind Pharma is top 5 pharmaceutical company in India. It is a very good hold in doctor fraternity. If you get chance to join this company, so it will offer you good remuneration and career growth also. Job role is medical representative, but the division is pathology, and segment also you have to deal pathology services. Location is Barampur. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and the qualification required graduation in stream, and age criteria is below 26 years. You have to contact 9438820817 is the concerned person mobile number. Next is Exceltis Pharma. It is a MNC house. So the job role is medical representative. Division and segment is not known, but locations are vacant, Rourkela as well as Cuttack. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter. Qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to Devendra Pradhan 195 at gmail.com, or you can contact him directly 70088315338. Okay. The next company is Dermax Healthcare Private Limited. It is a Mumbai-based pharmaceutical company, having medium-sized pharmaceutical company. The job role is medical representative. Division you have to deal with the main division, and the segment you have to derma and as well as general products you have to deal. Location is Cuttack. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and qualification required graduation in stream, and age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to Janmajaya at dermarax.com. Okay. Contact detail is 6374999192 is the concerned person mobile number, and the next vacancy is for health and youth therapeutics private limited. Is a medium-sized company. The vacant location is Bhubaneswar, and the job role is medical representative. Division and segment is not known. Experience required at least 1 year in same headquarter, and qualification required graduation in any stream, and age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 8249009089 is the concerned person mobile number. There you can get more clarity. And the next company is Dhavid Global Healthcare Private Limited. It is also a Mumbai-based pharmaceutical company. The vacant location is Baripada. The job role is medical representative. Division and segment is not known. So experience required 3 year in same headquarter. The qualification is required as graduation in this stream, and age criteria is below 35 years. If you have, there is a lot more age relaxation. So you have to drop your update CV to shkatak at dhavid.in, or you can contact 9692346353. Okay. So the next company is Celsius Healthcare Private Limited. It is also a medium-sized pharmaceutical company having vacant location is Balasore, and you have to the division is segment is not known, and the job role is medical representative. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and the qualification required graduation in this stream, and age criteria is below 30 years. You have to drop your update CV to 789444997. It is a concerned person mobile number. And the next company is Wallace Pharmaceuticals Limited. It is also a very good pharmaceutical company having pan-India presence. Okay, the job role is territory manager, equivalent to the medical representative, and the division is Rivela. So segment is not known actually. Location, vacant location is Sambalpur. At least having 1 year of experience to apply for this job, and qualification required graduation in this stream. The age criteria is below 28 years, and you have to drop your update CV to Sudhanshu Acharya @yahoo.com, or you can contact him directly. 7008 311 is his mobile number. Next company is Strathspey Labs Private Limited. It is a medium-sized newly launched pharmaceutical company as of now in Odisha. Vacant location is Bhubaneswar, and division they are dealing critical care means higher antibiotic drugs you have to deal, and job role is medical representative. Experience required 2 years in same headquarter. Graduation is the minimum qualification required, and age criteria is below 29 years. You have to drop your update CV to muhammad.alam@strathspaylabs.com, or you can contact the mobile number 943914845. It is the Journal Sales Manager's mobile number. Okay. Next is Ipca Laboratories Limited. It's also a very huge company in the pharmaceutical sector. In that very well-known company in the pharmaceutical sector, and a huge market share also. Job role is medical representative, and division is Pharma Next, and segment you have to deal general products, means that general antibiotics and drugs, and location is vacant Cuttack. At least having 6 months of market experience in same headquarter, and qualification required graduation in this stream, and age criteria is below 29 years. You have to contact 9090670667. There you can get clarity about the interview details. Next company is Acumentis Healthcare Limited. It is also a very well-known pharmaceutical company having pan-India presence, and job role is medical representative, and division vacant is Osteon. Segment is not known. The vacant location is Bhubaneswar. At least having 6 months experience in same headquarter. Qualification required graduation in this stream, and age criteria is below 30 years. So you have to drop your update CV to samalrasmi7@gmail.com, or you can contact 7008 550 259. So last company is also Mankind Pharma. The job role is medical representative. Vacant location are Bhubaneswar as well as Baleswar. 6 months experience required in same headquarter, and the qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 25 years. You have to drop your updates CV to rameshwar.sarab@gmail.com, or you can contact 933882415. So it is requested between to call 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Even the last company is also Ipca Labs Limited, and the location is Sambalpur. Vacant position is medical representative. Division and segment is not known. Experience is 6 months minimum required. Qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 27 years. You have to contact 97788366601 is the area business manager number, and the next number is 9439380481. It is the number of regional business manager. Okay. And the last company is Indicami Healthcare Specialities Private Limited. This is the division vacant is Gynecare. You have to deal with the gynecology products. Location vacant is Cuttack, and the job role is medical representative. At least having 6 months of market experience in pharmaceutical sector, and graduation required is the minimum required qualification. Age criteria is below 27 years. You have to contact 768207540 is the mobile number of area business manager of this region. So these are the today's vacancy updates. So maximum vacancies for fresher, for experienced person, at least having 6 months of market experience. And I hope it will help you to grab your chance or to join pharmaceutical sector. So thank you. Share this video to your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on latest vacancies. Thank you.